Hello friends, welcome to Rajasthani Sisters. Today I am going to share 8 different ideas to celebrate International Women's Day, that is on 8th of March. So if you are looking to celebrate this day on a personal front with your family and friends, so here are a few of the Women's Day celebration ideas that will come in handy. So let's not waste time and start the video. First idea is connect with women who inspire you. Whether it is in your field of work, a hobby you are passionate about, or a woman who inspire and motivate you to keep going via their posts and social media, connect with them and write them a heartfelt note. Make sure you tell them the particular instances where their work, ideas, and ethos resonated with you and helped you in forging ahead. You will feel good, and if they do open your chats, they will sparkle with joy and admiration. Second, talk to women who make your day better. After you dropped a message to your favorite mentor, it's time to thank the women who are your cheerleaders in real life. It can be your mother, sister, best friend, classmate, co-worker, or even a neighbor whose act of kindness made you smile that time. Talk to them and tell them all about how they have brightened your day somewhere in the past. This gesture will touch them. Third, acknowledge the awesome women in your life. Sometimes simple words of encouragement and love can go a long way in lifting someone up and inspiring them to keep going. Whether it's your mother, grandmother, sister, daughter, girlfriend, or friend, send a text, call, or FaceTime an important woman in your life to let them know how awesome they are. Fourth, have a potluck meal. If you can gather your female friends and family members, keeping all the precautions and safety measures in check, go for a potluck meal. It can be anything from a dinner to a brunch, depending on what everyone's comfortable with. When it comes to Women's Day activity ideas, this one is gold. It brings about a sense of belonging and sisterhood, and you get to swap your favorite dishes and food. That is how you celebrate the indomitable spirit of women. Fifth idea, donate to charities that resonate with you. You can focus on women-centric or lead charities. You can even bring along your friends and create a drive wherein you pitch in your spare clothes, belongings, books, and other things that can be donated. Moreover, if you can take out the time, spend a day at these charities. You will not only be moved by the stories of resilience, but also feel grateful for all you do have. Sixth idea, support women-owned businesses. Supporting businesses that are owned, operated, and controlled by a woman or women helps contribute to equal economic empowerment and a more prosperous economy overall. This International Women's Day, you can deliberately seek out and support local businesses that are women-owned. Share your challenge with your friends and encourage them to do the same. Seventh idea, hashtag Choose to Challenge. This year's official International Women's Day theme 2021 is hashtag Choose to Challenge. One simple yet impactful way to celebrate International Women's Day this year is to show your commitment to challenge inequality by taking part in the Choose to Challenge social media campaign. Take a photo of yourself by raising your right hand to recognize the theme of IWD 2021, Choose to Challenge, and share it on your preferred social media platforms by using hashtag Choose to Challenge and hashtag IWD 2021. Eighth idea is thoughtful gift. Everyone likes gift. You can mesmerize your beloved mother or wife with beautiful flowers, a beautiful dress for her, or homemade delicacies for your loved ones on this Women's Day, and enjoy this special day with them. So friends, these were my ideas. Do let me know in the comment section which idea did you choose to celebrate International Women's Day and made this day special for them. I request you, if you like the ideas, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my upcoming videos. Wish you all a very happy International Women's Day. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.